Mapagpalayang umaga sa lahat. Ating sisimulan ang diskusyon sa video media sa isang katanungan. Sa iyong palagay, ano ang kaibahan at kahalagahan ng video media sa iba pang uri ng media at teknolohiya na umiiral ngayon? Maraming salamat sa inyong mga kasagutan. Ngayon ay dumako na tayo sa definisyon ng video media. So, ano nga ba talaga ang definisyon ng video media? It is a moving pictures in various formats. Video media generally refers to computer files containing video in various digital formats. The term may also refer to physical media such as VHS tapes, DVDs, and Blu-ray discs. Kung kaya't halina't bumalik at alamin ang nakaraan kung paano o sino ang nagsimula nito. The earliest known photograph was taken by Frenchman Joseph in either 1826 or 1827. While it was a simple black and white whose poor quality is inconceivable in 2016. He was one of the very first pioneers of photography. Allegedly, he couldn't draft images by hand, so he invented a process, heliography, by which he could produce an image chemically. Heliography starts with coating a pewter plate with an ancient asphalt called bitumen of Judea. He would then use a rudimentary camera to expose the plate to sunlight for as much as 8 hours. A few years after that, in 1832, Joseph Plateau became the first to simulate moving images in his invention called the phenakistoscope or spindle viewer. The moving image in its simplest form has been the object of much research, with one of the early pioneers being the Belgian scientist Joseph Plateau. The physicist began his career in animation in 1832 when he revealed his own invention, the phenakistoscope, which used two spinning discs moving in the same direction to give the impression of a moving image. 1870, John Wesley Hyatt developed and patented celluloid for its use as a base in photographic film. In 1878, the Zuprasyscope was being used by various English photographers in capturing the movements of animals using multiple images. During this time, the principle of using closely captured images to create the illusion of motion, similar to Plateau's spindle viewer, was prevalent. As the years passed by, laser discs were eventually also phased out with the introduction of CDs, DVDs, and Blu-ray discs. In this era, producing and storing videos became easier and more portable, after eliminating the need for the bulking camera and film equipment that the 19th century required. In the mid-19th century, another development was achieved, and this saw the birth of video production. This was at the same time when live television came to the scene. During this period, mechanical editing was in an advanced stage, and this was what enabled the live TV programming. Later, when computers would begin changing things, one of the major beneficiaries was video production. This was in the late 19th century when nonlinear editing came into the perspective using technology. Various technological advancements have taken us to where we are now. Matapos mabasa, marinig at makita ang mga kaganapan noon hanggang sa ngayon, ay dadako na rin tayo sa kung ano-ano pa nga ba ang mga kategorya sa video production. Handa ka na ba? Virtual reality video production. It is a virtual reality videos are accessed via virtual reality headsets. These videos are different from its other video types in the sense that users can be fully immersed in the environment of the video. Virtual reality provides interactive features, allowing the person to feel as if they are part of the artificial environment that's being projected. These types of videos are mostly seen in video games and other platforms that require interaction with the viewer himself, although companies have also used virtual reality videos for an immersive advertising experience. Animated video production. Animated videos are those which were entirely illustrated by its creators called animators. It has no live action elements and works based on the provided code and special software. Because of its lack of real elements such as human actors, animated videos have a wider range of possible subjects that can include fantasy elements and other objects and scenes that may not be feasible in real life. The cost of animated videos tends to be much less compared to live action videos, since the former only requires a computer and some software. The only thing that limits an animation's possibilities is the capability of the software used. Because of the rich potential of animated videos, they can be seen almost everywhere in the form of cartoon shows, and movies. Web video production. Web videos are, as the name suggests, videos that are specifically made for use on a certain website. Most web videos serve as advertisements or as introductions to the company itself. Any marketing techniques that the company uses on its clients in other platforms may also manifest in the video. Producing web videos depends on the resources available to the company, and the result may either be an animated infographic or a live-action skit and testimonial. Social media video production. It is a social media videos are fairly new developments, gaining popularity only after the rise of social media platforms like Facebook and YouTube. The means of social media video production are varied, with live action and animation coexisting in the same platform, but most viral social media videos are notably done using only simple equipment like smartphone cameras. What makes social media video production unique is that such productions must heavily take into account any emerging trends that can possibly popularize the end product. Matapos ang pagbabalik-tanaw at ang diskusyon sa iba't ibang kategorya ng video production, ako ay mag-iiwan ng katanungan na maaaring sagutin sa inyong burador. Anong uri ng video production ang nakapukaw ng atensyon mo? Bakit ito? At dito na nagtatapos ang diskusyon sa video media. Handa ka na bang madagdagan pa ang kaalaman mo ukol sa media at teknolohiya? Kung gayon, dumako na tayo sa susunod na paksa, Computing Media na pangungunahan ni Ginoong AC.